Ready to transform Jira from a generic project tracker into your ultimate project management powerhouse? Today, we're diving deep into the art of Jira customization, showing you how to tailor this powerful tool to fit your specific project needs. We'll cover several crucial areas: customizing the issue layouts, designing workflows to represent project stages, setting up custom fields, and creating useful dashboards. First, let's look at customizing the issue view. Select project settings, find the issue types option, and there you can add, edit, or rearrange various fields to better capture your project's data. You might want to add custom fields like priority level, due date, or categorize items based on your project goals. This enables you to see at a quick glance how tasks are progressing. Now, let's talk workflows. Workflows represent the life cycle of an issue, moving it through various states like to do, in progress, and done. From the project settings, find workflows. You can create new workflows or edit existing ones, including adding or removing steps, and customizing transitions between states. This ensures that your team follows a consistent progression. Finally, let's boost your visibility with dashboard customization. Use dashboards to visualize project progress. You can use pre-built gadgets or set up custom widgets with data points that are specific to your project. Within project settings, explore gadget selection options, add them to your dashboard, and drag and drop to customize the layout as you wish. That's how to begin customizing Jira. Adapt these steps to your own project, and you'll transform the platform into your personalized project management solution. Happy customizing!